Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Kids Box 4, Unit 3 and for review, Lesson 19.
Welcome to Kids Box 4, designed for 4th grade level. Open up to Pupils Book.
Unit 3 and 4 review, page 44, Section 1, play the game. Before you play, decide which actions are good and which actions are bad. For good actions, you move forward to spaces. For bad actions, go back to spaces. Have fun.
Page 45. 2. Listen and draw lines. What did Mary do last week? Can you see the line from the word Tuesday? On Tuesday, Mary went to the library to take her books back. Now, you listen and draw lines. 1.
Did you do a lot of things last week, Mary?
Yes, I did. I had a very busy week.
What was the first thing you did?
On Monday, I went to see my grandma because she wasn't well. She had a temperature.
Oh dear. Is she better now?
Yes, thanks. She's a lot better.
2.
What next?
Well, on Wednesday, I went shopping with my mum.
What did you buy?
I had to get some new school shoes.
3.
What did you do on Thursday?
I did my maths homework.
Was it difficult?
No, it was okay. I like maths.
4.
Did you have to do your homework on Friday?
No, I didn't. I had my music lesson on Friday.
Really? What do you play?
I play the piano.
5.
And tell me, did you do anything interesting at the weekend?
At the weekend? Well, not on Sunday, but on Saturday I cleaned my bedroom.
Oh dear. Do you do that every week?
Yes, I do. I enjoy cleaning my bedroom.
Now, open up your activity book to page 44. Section 1. Find the past of the verbs in the crossword. Section 2. Complete the sentences with words from Activity 1. Section 3. Read and answer. Write yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Now turn to page 45. Section 4. Circle the odd one out. Section 5. Now, complete the crossword using the words from Section 4. Then write the message. Notice the gray boxes. Use these letters to fill in the message. Please write the message in the comments. Good luck!
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.